Can we see who viewed our videos in YouTube? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, let's find out if we can see who viewed our videos in YouTube. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your YouTube. Make sure that you're logged in into your account and then head over to your profile icon on the top right corner. Tap on it and then you can then head over to your YouTube studio. Tap on YouTube studio, and after you tap on your YouTube studio, you'll be on your channel's dashboard. From here, you can see how many videos you have, how many views you've gotten till now, and stuff like that. So let's head over to analytics for now. Tap on analytics, and there you should see your overview of your contents. There you can see your top content and how many views you've gotten till now. You can see your content as well, your audience. So head over to your audience for now, and on your audience you will get to see the age and gender, your watch time, and from where your viewers are from. So that's the only information that you'll actually get on the viewers. There is no option where you can actually see all of the viewers or who the viewers are exactly. So yeah, that's the catch here. Let's head over to content for now and head over to our any one of our contents. So let me head over to shorts and choose this video, and from here head over to analytics. From here you can actually see that there are only few information that you'll get, not all of them. So yeah, how many views you get, not exactly by whom the views you get from. So yeah, I hope this answers your question, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.